Welcome back to iSelf Academy Excel Hacks video number 2. In my previous video, I showed you how to work with a reverse VLOOKUP using a lookup functionality. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the same logic, but this time I'm going to achieve it in a different dimension. If I know how to use index and match, how we can achieve the same results. So let me go back to this list, and this is a combination formula that I'm going to use right now. So let me just add them up and then show you how I'm going to work on that. So again, the logic will remain same. So I'm going to just say equals index function here, and then I'm going to just fill in the result in my index function. So when I go for an index function, again, like I had my VLOOKUP or a lookup functionality, I'll have two formulas here. I can pick any one. I'm going to use only two logics here, so not all the logics here. So I'm going to use the first formula called array row number and column number, and you can see that whenever you get a function argument like this, and you see the last line is not in bold, then it is an optional field. You may use it or you may even leave it as it is. So I'm not going to use the last one. I'm going to use the first two logics here. So the first one is an array. So I'm going to choose what is the result that I want to feed in this field. The result is going to be customer for me. So I'm going to select the whole customer column here. Then I'm going to give an absolute cell reference. Then I'll give a comma, and then I'm going to start with a match function here. So when I go for a match function here, so in the match, I'm going to pick up this invoice number, and then from the entire invoice number list, and I'm going to give an absolute cell reference to the same, and then I'm going to give a comma, and I'm going to just give a 0 to it, and then I'll close the bracket here, and then I'll give an OK. So that's going to populate my answer here. Then I'm going to just populate the answers for all the columns, and this is the formula that I've used to get my index and match functionality. So let me just remove few data here. So this is how we can do a reverse VLOOKUP without touching a VLOOKUP at all. This is Vinod signing out from iSelf Academy Excel hack number 2. I'll be seeing you with more videos. We are at least going to have 25 different hacks